If a song is in the A minor, how many sharps or flats does it have? If you hesitated even for a second, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be figuring out minor key signatures faster than you can say relative major. In this video, you're going to learn the exact trick to find any minor key signature without memorizing a million scales. We'll talk about the weird connection between major and minor keys, how to spot a minor key signature fast, and a super easy 3-step method that works every single time. Let's start here. Every minor key has a relative major. That just means both keys use the exact same sharps or flats. See G major, 1 sharp, E minor, 1 sharp, same ingredients, different flavor. So for example, C major and A minor, no sharps, no flats. G major and E minor, 1 sharp. D major and B minor, 2 sharps. Here's the biggest tip on how to always find a minor key. You just take the major key and count 3 half steps down. That's it. So from the minor key of B major, A sharp, A, then G sharp. Okay, here's where it gets tricky for most people. Let's say you're reading music and you see 5 sharps in the key signature. You think, is this B major or G sharp minor? Here's a simple trick. If the song ends on B, it's in B major. If the song ends on G sharp, it's in G sharp minor. This is what musicians call the resolution. It's the chord that feels like home, where every progression centers around it. Once you get this down, it's like unlocking a cheat code. Anyway, here's a mini cheat sheet to help you out in determining the minor key signature. You can pause the video and resume in your own time. Once you realize every minor key is just a major key in disguise, and that 3 half steps is all it takes, key signatures go from intimidating to easy mode. So remember, find the major key using the key signature. Go down 3 half steps. That's your minor key. Done. No more guessing, no more memorizing weird scale patterns. Just a simple trick that actually works. Try it out and see how fast it clicks. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.